Start recording. Okay, first of all, we will see trade tigers, and then we will see fires. Trade tigers and fires both are laptop softwares. It has to be on laptop and does not work in mobile. Okay, that I'm already speaking from last many days. That's for your information. Are laptop softwares that has to be installed into laptop, or you having a workstation or a desktop. That's depend on it. So it has to be installed there. So Trade Tigers is giving less stocks compared to Fires. The Fires giving more stocks. Okay, people are complaining about the disturbance are coming from the people. From many people, please mute your phone. I think all phones are mute right now. Okay. So the difference between the Trade Tigers and Fires, that the Trade Tigers giving a less call compared to Fires, and that's a good thing. Though and the Fires, they are generating, they're giving high low in every minutes. And here we will apply the strategy here. So how to apply the strategy? So first of all, I will close everything here. My strategies were open. Now I'm closing everything. So here you need to go to the tool. Okay, the tool you required. The tool you first click the code tool, go to heat map. Okay, one thing you should always remember that money flows from one sector to other sectors every day. Okay, money flows, it's get changed from one sector to another sectors every day. Otherwise the money got inflow or money get removed. These are the two things. That's what does it mean, that the one day the one sectors will grow and other sectors will fall down. So we are doing this trade analysis, trading based on the sectorial analysis. We trading based on the sector analysis. There are trading based on sector analysis. So we have to require a heat map which showing the sector wise. So this is called sectors. This is FMCG sectors. This is POC bank sector. Those are new. They have to go to the each sectors inside, and they have to see which stock is inside the sectors. If I'm clicking the FMCG, the FMCG is having this many stocks. This stocks in this combination is forming the FMCG sectors. Okay, so the basics I will not cover. So you have to go through each sectors wise, that which stock, metal sector. So which stocks is coming into the metal sector, which stocks is coming to the IT sector, which sectors is coming in POC bank, which sectors is coming in private bank, which sector is coming in reality and infra. In that you have to do the homework, which stocks is coming in FNO stocks. Okay, that the homework you have to done, that you have to do. This is a basic thing that is required, that you have to know which stock is falling under FNO, which stocks is falling under which sector. That's the basic is required from your side. If you are not doing, then go to Trade Tigers, select the stocks, and you find out that this stock is falling into the FMCG, this stock is falling in the private bank, POC bank. So you have to do it. So first you have to make a heat map here. Then you required a chart. You can keep a chart. On the top of the heat map. That's the one basic thing is required. And now you require the most important thing, dynamic one-click filter. In dynamic one-click filter, you will go to NSE FO. You will select. Okay, so here the dynamic one-click filter, you require a trending. Okay, 1 second. Recording is happening. Okay, in the trending, you have to select a trending. Go to result. In the exchange, you don't require NSE, BSC, you required only NSC, and you required only nearby. You don't require options also. You required only NSE futures. Here you hide the exchange. Change here. Okay. And now go to setting. Save and run. Save that file. So this your setup is ready. This setup is ready, and this setup is only working in live market. It does not work in the after the market. So how to do the trade? Whenever the stock is, whenever the sector is 1% up or 1% down, the first two sector and first two sector. If whenever the sector is 1% up or 1% down, if the sector is 1% up, suppose it's the metal sectors. So today I given the stock to buy a Tata Steel, VDL did not work, but the Tata Steel works. So if the Tata Steel work here, if the Tata Steel he is showing here, if it's come here at the result that is trending high of the day, then you have to take a buy call because the sector is 1% up and the stock is 2% up. The criteria required, again telling, the sector should be 1% up and stock should be 2% up. That's the main criteria. Here in the FMCG, if you click on FMCG was the topmost. So FMCG, the ITC came today in the morning to buy. So ITC was trading around 4 to 5%. That stock is coming here. That's trending high of the day, and stock is already above the 4 to 5%. You can also take a trade. This is become at the moment call. If this stock is coming around 920, so you have to take a trade call at that time only 920. You don't have to wait for 925, 926. You have to wait there till when it's coming here. The only thing that the sector should be 2% up, and the stock sector should be 1% up, and stock should be 2% up. Now, if you want to do a hedge call, how to do a hedge call? Okay, I'm taking right now. These are the three sectors good. I'm going to metal. I will go inside the metal. I will see the Jindal Steel. If the Jindal Steel is trading at 200 around 10 p.m. Right now it's trading at it's close at 203. If it's trading at 20 or if it's trading at 199, I will take a future 20. I will take a future at that time that is trading at 200 or 199.9. I will take a future and I will sell a 200 call. Every time you have to take a at the money call. You don't have to take a out of the money call or in the money call. You have to take, if you're buying a future, you have to sell a call. If you are selling a future, you have to sell a put. So how to do this thing, that I will show you here. Jindal Steel future. Future buy. Okay, the futures are having upper hand and the options is having a lower hand. The only thing is that the future, if we are trading in futures and options as a hedge, because we are expecting a good we have to expect a profit from the future. Option is for insurance purpose. Again repeating, option is a insurance. If thing goes reverse you, then options will protect your loss. That's why we are using option. So we entering at 200 and option Jindal Steel 200C. Okay, is trading around 4. Okay, the lot size is 2500. The lot size is 2500. Okay, if it went to 203, right now it's close at 203.5. okay, it will end around near about 6. okay, it will near end around by 6. I'm trading by the experience. So here you got a 3.4. here you got ₹2 loss. You got a 1.4 as a profit. So near about 3,500 rupees of profit you can get. Whenever this thing is happening in Trade Tiger, you can get a profit in next 5 minutes to 1 hour. You can easily get a profit in next 5 minutes to 1 hour if thing is happening. That when the sector is 1% up and your stock is 2% up. There's a one live video. I will show you that we have taken a live trading on 5th of July. This is a live training video. I covered any topic, all the things okay. Here the IT sectors right now. I will say here it's not about an IT sector here. This is I'm telling about the force chart method. Same in the on that day we have taken okay now okay, now this is a live trading session that happened on 5th of July. Here the IT sectors was near about 0.97. 0.97, that is near to 1%. Here the Infosys came. Infosys came around 2.99%. Trading low of the day, top loser. Trading low of the day, top losers is 3%. The sector was down by 1%. And we given a call to buy, to sell a Nifty future. Nifty at 1302, and then it made a low of around 1368. So this way it will be happening. This way it will decide here, it will form a colors that the top sectors will be on the top side here, and it will be on the bottom side, and whichever the sector is less than is down by 1%, whichever sector is up by 1%, if that stock, if the for the stock which is up, it has to become high of the day, top gainer, and the stocks sector which is down is a high low of the day and top loser. It has to come and it should be above 2%. That's the main criteria. So if you see the Infosys come at the current moment, that is came around, it's came on the live market, and we seen the Nifty chart, and Infi was the topmost low in the IT sector. We will take all calls, all everything on the. So we given a call here at 1302 to sale, and same thing that if you see, I given a call here into the my all followers. So, and then it made a low of near about 1368. So this way you have to use. Now I'm going with the trade tigers. Now I'm using the hedging strategy. So what can you do to protect your money? That if it's down by 2%, the sector is down by 1%, and stock is down by 2%, you can take a future sale and sell a put. and your stock is 2% up and sector is 1% up, you can buy a future and sell a call, sell a call, sell a call, and then you have to wait, and then you can expect a good profit. So some queries there. It did not show TB's live data after, it's showing the data after live data after 10 a.m. but it's showing very less stocks, and you can use it, but the things very fast in the fires. Now I'm moving to the fire stocks. The same thing, in the fires, the only things, the fires showing many things that you will see in the videos that I've taken the today recording. I've taken the recording of today's fires. Okay. Now you see, it's from 9:15. You see the stocks, the many stocks are coming. It's many stocks are coming. Okay. So here, after 10 o'clock, I will say, because even after 9:30, 9:45, the market gets settled at 9:45. Always remember, the market gets settled at 9:45, and those who are not an aggressive trader, they trade after that. On intraday, we have to find out we are aggressive traders, so we are trading around 9:15 by using the trade tiger. So here what you need to do, the same thing, after 10 a.m. or 9:45 p.m. 9:45 a.m. Okay, you see the Tata Steel. The Tata Steels around 9:36 is coming, and if it's coming one back to back, if it's coming back to back, it's 1.58. It's not near to 2%, but it's so it can be. We can expect it will go above. So if you are aggressive trader, near to 2%, you can buy the future if it's making new high, and sell a Tata Steel call. It's a 547. Then you will take a 550 call to sell to protect your money. Otherwise, now if you see from here, the Yes Bank is starting. It's a 1%, so we will avoid it. Now Hero Motor call that I given. So by here back to back Hero Motor is coming. Now the sector analysis you have here also coming. Hero Motor is running. Bajaj Auto is running. Tata Motor also is coming. Now it's clear-cut indicating that today the auto sector will boom. So you have to keep eyes on the auto sectors. Today, Bajaj Autos, Hero Motor Autos, and Tata Motors, all the three call givens in separately from premium. I think yes, in premium channels, in free channels, and in the student channel. So today here it's telling all the three things that it's happening, that auto sector is buying, Hero Motor is buying, even the Tata Motor was buying coming. And so you have that at that time, if sector buying is saying, then you can blindly buy the stocks which trading around 2%. That's a strategy you can apply everywhere, anytime. If at the time, what is time at around 9:47, you're seeing the buying happening in auto sector. At 9:46, you're seeing the Hero Motor buying is happening. Blindly you can buy the auto sectors, the stocks. If around 9:46, 9:47, if you're saying a buying in Cipla, if you're saying a buying in Sun Pharma, if you're saying a buying in Dr. Reddy, or if you're saying a buying in Lupin, so back sector buying is saying, then it's mean that the money is rotated to sectors. And now today the IT, today the medical sectors, that is pharma sector, will boom. So here you also need to do the sector analysis. Okay, see the Hero Motor up is zooming. The Tata Motors is picking up the gear. Okay, now again here BPCL, Hind Petro, ONGC, these stocks the selling is happening. So you can at that moment, okay, all these stocks are at that moment only, yeah, because the selling and buying and the sectors happening on the same time means the sectors will go up, the sectors will go down. At the same time, the energy sector, these are the energy sector stocks, BPCL, ONGC, Hind Petro. If that sectors, all the sectors are falling, then straight away you can sell a stock which is trading around 2%. Now again, there's one more thing, that if it's a new start, if happening new high from the start, there's one thing in the fires. If again a new high from the start, you can enter again. Okay, this is new high. But if you again starting new high from the start, you can again trade a hedge call. If you want to try a demo call, you can buy cash call, 1,000 quantity, 500 quantity, and you can use a trailing stop loss. When this new high from the start is happening, the stock is rising like anything. It can rise in 5 minutes, it can rise in 15-20 minutes. So today I've taken all the recording, and if you see from 9:15 to 10 o'clock, it's many stocks were coming, and then after that the very less stocks are coming. Here the Tata Steels is come into radar. It's coming to two sectors. You can buy the Tata Steel with the hedge. See, the Tata Motors is also coming to the buy level. So what I told, that I seen the buying level happening in two or three sectors. The third sectors will fall. Third sector stocks is coming. Here the TVS Motor did not come. Either Tata Motor come after two sectors. So Tata Motor buying will happen. Here the TVS Motor did not came, so you will not buy. Ashok Leyland did not came, you will not buy. So here the stocks which is coming, you have to take a buy call. Today I given the SBI buy call because it's making a new high. We entered around 292, it went to 297. When a new high from the start is starting, you have to take a buy call. A new low from the start is starting, you have to take a sale call. But only thing, you have to be active, because here the many stocks are coming, picking up. That's the main criteria. Here the 0.71, not a good stock. 0.12, not a good stock to sell. The only thing, you have to always remember, the stock which is trading at 2% is making new high. You can expect that the stocks will make a 5% high, 4% high. If stock is trading at 2% low, you can expect the stocks will make 2% down, 5% down, or 4% down. It's happened 80% of the time, 85% of time. Only thing, you have to be, keep your eyes open, keep your ear open. If anything news is coming through anywhere, it will reflect directly here. All the sectors will down, all the stocks will down. See the SBI, we see now 292. It's going to 296. Okay, HDFC Bank 0.115. Just avoid it. Don't take it. HDFC Bank, Axis Bank is making new high. So Axis Bank call can be buy. Bharti Airtel, that we given that to buy call, we enter at around 365. It made around 378. So if you see 370.8, it made a high. Bharti Airtel. If you see the Titan, 0.84, 0.85, we given a buy call. If you see now the buy call, how the buy call came from the Titan. Now see Tata Motor, Hero Motor, all the auto sectors will come together one by one. So when such thing is happening, so you can take a call on based on that level. Okay. Okay, now if you see the Titans, the buying started. Now you see the Titan. If you see as many buying is happening, if you see it's coming one after one, 867, it's making high and high. Then such an aggressive thing is happening. There you can take a risky call if it's coming near about to 1.5%, 1.4%. There you can take a risk-based trade call you can take, because a sudden buying has come after the selling. Because earlier we see it was falling. Here we see the Titan started rising up, and we can expect that a sudden rising is coming. That sudden rising is coming. It's called short covering. A sudden rises is coming, and it will go and it will make even a 3 and 4% up. And today the Titan was up near about 4.5%. So that is called a short covering. The people were short in Titan, and then the Titan made a high in such a short span that people who were on the short, they have to cover their loss. They have to cover their stop. Short side. So hedge principle, same thing, 2% up. If you're buying, sell a call. If you are selling, sell the put. This way you have to trade. and you have to keep a moment, keep up the moment. You require only 80 to 85,000, or even a less than. Sometimes it's maybe 65,000 to 80,000 that is required. You can do the paper trading. Otherwise, you can do, what can you do, that if you want to take a buy call only one-sided, the stock, the same principle applied here. The stock should be 2% up and the sector should be 1% up. If in the fires, if you see the buying of the sectors is happening, coming here, buying of sectors happening here, if on the all the pharma sectors coming one after one after one, then you can buy that stock. If all auto sectors are coming one after one, you can buy the auto sectors. If finance companies are coming one after one, then you can buy the finance company. So this way you have to keep eyes what is happening, and your that you need to see. So you see that now the Titan is making high and high. Now if you see here, Hind Petro, BPCL, IOCL, now they were 3% up. So here you can go for a long side. I will take all just only 1 minute is 1 and 2 minutes left from my side to complete this video. Then I will start the query session. New high from the start, that can be a good thing. You can enter here again. Only thing that you need to practice. And now this is of 3:12, so we ended here. So now I'm starting the question and answer session from all the students. No, PNC is not advisable. It's not advisable because the premium eating game is always happening. Target and stop loss. The target in future, that is volume does not here matters if it's trading around 2%. Aman, first question yours. Volume does not matter if you're trading at around 2%, and sector should be 1% up, and the stock is 2%. Stock is 2% up. It means the buying is happening. Now the second question from Jagdish. CNP is not advisable from my side because future, what I told is buy level, we will only get a profit from the futures. PNC will move. If you take a ATM call an ATM put, then you will not get a good profit, and the premium meeting will happen on the border side. So it will not be a good. So that is not advisable. You can track it if you want to track. I already shared the strategy. What can you do? The sector is 2% up, sector is 1% up, and the stock is 2% up. You can buy a call and you can sell a put. You do, all students, you can do the practice in the same way. That may be required less money, less than 1 lakh rupees. You can do a trade, you can do the set up the fires. Nothing to set up the fires is that in the fires, go to F&O analysis, click live scanners features. Live scanner features here. In the live scanner features, there's nothing is not coming in below. You just need to select F&O stocks only. Then the stocks will come automatically from here. Now in the F&O analysis, there's action in futures. It's saying that long is build up, where the long is build up and where the short is build up. This is only for the reference purpose, not for trading purpose. This is only for the reference purpose, that you have to keep in mind, that where the long is getting build up, where the short is covering build up, where the short covering is happening. The people were on the short and now they have covered the short and the buying happened suddenly. And this is most bullish and most bearish. Okay, this is most bullish and most bearish stocks. They will show here. These are the bullish stock. These are the bearish stocks. But we are not using it. But you can check it. If anyone want to develop any strategy, they can develop the strategy based on this two thing also, most bullish and most bearish. This also I found it very good, but I'm not using. You can develop the strategy based on this also, where the long is getting built up, where the short is getting built up, where the most bullish shares. It is all these are coming at the moment. If you're using at 10 a.m., it will show the stocks which is most bullish at that moment. If you see most bearish, it will show the stocks which are most bearish at that moment. No other softwares, no other terminals is giving most bullish, most bearish, where the long getting built up, where the short getting built up. This buy fires are showing, and the live scanners is too good. So you can, if anyone students who want to create some new strategy, they can work on this strategy. They have to only to practice for a few days, 1-2 weeks, and they can work on this, whether this most bullish and most bearish features are working or not. Otherwise, the Trade Tiger setups, stocks 2% up, sector 1% up, fire strategy stock 2% up, and even you can see a sector buying coming together. You can see and a new high from the start and new low from the start. That are the things that need to be seen. Now, questions. Trade Tiger is not giving a high-low data what the way this fires are showing. They will only say the training high of the day, training low of the day, and the Trade Tiger will show only low, very less stocks. It will here it will see good stocks, and it will show that it will show that it's a 0.1% up, it's a 2% up, 1%. So stop loss, that is one good question. If you're trading in the futures and with option, 1% should be your stop loss. That if you're trading at 2%, if you're entering at 2%, that is if you're entering at 500, 1% is 495 should be a stop loss. 1% stop loss should be into your futures. When that stop loss got hit, you have to exit options also. You will get a good small profit in option, but you definitely will end with a small loss, because whenever the future stop loss got hit, you will hit a loss, and option is always protecting the money. If the futures hitting high, you will get a good profit. The option will never give you the profit. Options will only protect your money from the losses. The future will give you the profit. So any more questions? For the 6 minutes are left for today's trainings. So we are coming ending to our session. We covers that how to select stocks from Trade Tigers and fires, and how to do the hedging. The same principle I'm applying. You can go and watch the snapshot of all the images that I'm giving with the futures and option. You can see that whatever the stocks were given at that time, what the percentage was there in the futures, and what was the option, and then how this. The fires, no, I think fires, they will charge 500 rupees as AMC for yearly. Any more questions? Yeah, whenever you square off Trade Tigers, first year free, second year is 500 rupees. Sagar, yes, you have to exit both together. You have to, we will share all recording by today night only, you will get it. And yes, and today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will not answer any question. I will all answer all question on Monday. So 2 days I will be completely inactive. So I will not answer anything. It is very difficult to exit both option future. I think you have to exit. That's no option. There's nothing. A thing is happening. Future future definitely will get exit. But yes, exiting options will take a time. You have to wait for buyers. But you have to exit. You don't take futures and option. That you have to bring practice. How to identify the target here? When to square off. If you're getting a 2,000 to 2,000 rupees profit, try to first to book up a profit. You will able to see the profit. That's I will always try to have 1,000 rupees profit. That I will try to book to make at least a 10,000, 15,000 rupees, and then I will think for a big. That's the one thing you all should try. First, try to book up for 1,000, 2,000 rupees. Definitely, 1,000 to 2,000 rupees profit making is not a. It's a very easy by using this strategy. All of you create an Excel sheet, find out the stocks, do the paper trade, do the real time trade without the money. You can see how much the accuracy, and then you can start. And definitely, when the stop loss hit, your loss should be around 11,000 to 2,000. It's not like that if you're taking any futures and option, your loss is going to 5,000 to 10,000. If you are in short of money, then we can trade in only option. In the options, yes, you can buy a net call if the sector is 2% up and the stock is sector is 1% and stock is 2%. You can take a buy call. And same thing, the stop loss is 1%. 1% stop loss or got hit in the future. Whatever the price is running into option, get exit. Any more questions? Only thing, you please practice all of it for 20 days. Definitely you will be one of the Benny, one of the Mahesh, one of the Jibbi. These are the three, and further many students are there. They're constantly making profit. Okay, they are practicing. They have practiced very hard, and they keep trying their best. So only thing, you have to try your best, and that's the only thing you have to do. And only the practice will make you confidence to stay survive in the market. And from my side, I will say hedging is advisable. Net call is also advisable if you follow this strategy, same strategy. 2% up stock, 1% sector up. That please practice for 1 month, and definitely I will see that I will see a profit screens from your side in a student channel. That I promise. The only thing, if you practice, that can only happen. Prashanta, ATM and OTM. What is ATM? It's at the money call and out of the money call. That's in last 2 minutes. I will just take. It's a very much basic thing that I will cover call. That's the same thing as a cover call. It's a buy the call and buy the call and okay. Right now, let's take a 5-minute break, and we will start another 15 minutes to cover this derivative thing to all of you. Let's take a 5-minute break. We will start at 10:15, 10:50. We will start around 10. We will take only 2 minutes break. We will start at 10:45 because the meeting will end. We will start around 10:45 to 10:46. Last 15 minutes, I will take you to the ATM, OTM cover call, and that points I will cover. So 15-minute session, I will take further to cover all your doubts related to derivatives, and then we will end this session today. We will so I will join around 10:47. I will join at 10:50. Right now it's 10:44. I will join at 10:50. So you please join up together. So all together, and we will see ATM, OTM cover call to cover all your doubts. So I will join at 10:50. See you.